Hello, and welcome to this 5-minute calming meditation. You can do this meditation sitting, lying down, or even standing or walking. If you're seated, place your feet flat on the ground and let your hands rest gently on your lap. If you're lying down, place your hands by your side and let your body sink into the surface beneath you. Now, gently close your eyes, or if you wish to keep them open, just soften your gaze and allow it to settle on a fixed point in front of you. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to whatever is going on with you, without any judgment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, begin to loosen your body, surrendering your weight to gravity. Let the earth or the surface beneath you support your full weight. Allow your body to sink into the points of contact between you and the floor, the chair, or the bed. Notice all these points where your body feels grounded. Inhale again, taking in as much oxygen as you can. As you exhale, notice any tightness or tension in the body and gently turn towards these areas with compassion, without trying to force the tension away. Now, gently shift your awareness to the mind. Notice any thoughts that may be present. Maybe your mind is busy worrying about something that has just happened, or something that you need to do, or maybe it's relatively quiet. Rather than getting caught up in those thoughts, observe them as though you're watching clouds drift across the sky. They come and go naturally, without needing your involvement. Allow these thoughts to float by and simply watch. Next, bring your awareness to any emotions or feelings that might be present. Are you feeling anxious, frustrated, or unsettled? Notice these feelings too, floating like the clouds, and watch them without getting attached, just like an outsider, like a silent witness. Now, begin to gently gather your awareness around the experience of your breath. Focus on the sensation of breathing deep within your body. As you inhale, feel the breath fill your lungs, expanding the front, back, and sides of your torso. As you exhale, feel your body gently relax, letting go of any tension or resistance. Let your breath be the anchor that keeps you grounded in the present moment. Experience its rhythm as it moves in and out of your body. Each time you notice that your mind has wandered, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. As your focus settles on the breath, begin to gently expand your awareness to include your whole body. Feel the weight and shape of your body as it sits, stands, or lies. Be present with whatever sensations arise without trying to change or resist them. Allow your awareness to stay open. Let whatever sensations arise simply be, letting them come and go. Because now you know that just like the clouds, they will all pass. Continue to use the breath as your anchor. Each inhale and exhale is an opportunity to remain in the present. Notice how each breath grounds you, bringing you back to a place of stillness and calm. With each breath, allow yourself to become more and more centered and more confident in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. Take a few more breaths and feel all the parts of your body, including your face, relax with each exhale. As you prepare to bring this meditation to a close, take one final deep breath in. Hold it for just a moment and then slowly exhale, letting go of any remaining tension or unease. Gently open your eyes, or if they were open, refocus your gaze. Take a moment to notice how you feel in your body. As you move forward into your day, remember that this calm and clarity is always within you. Whenever you need to regain your center, you can return to this practice, whether it is for 5 minutes or even if just for a few breaths filled with awareness.